guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be making some slime. This is going to be the before picture, not stretchy at all. So I'm going to be showing you how to make it stretchy, and the reason why it's not going to be stretchy is because I'm adding borax. Borax always makes it terrible. Yes! Okay, back to the video. My mom's calling me, but I said yeah, she doesn't respond. Anyway, so we're not going to make it with beads. I made this one with beads because I wanted it to be different. Oh my god. Oh my god! I'm okay. Alright, so this is going to be the before. Not stretchy that much. Oh my god, a bead. Alright, so let's add some glue. We're running low on glue. Only a little bit left. Actually, it's been a month, so hold on. My mom's calling me. Yeah? Still not responding. Yeah? Hello? Still, guys. You're my witnesses. So, yeah, just mix it up because there is some borax with water in here. It's already turning into slime. Oh, my God. Yeah? Tommy, I have to take a shower. Okay, wait. Okay, my friend just said hi. So it's already turning into slime, yeah. Should we add like anything in it? I feel like we should, but I guess not. I guess we'll just add this one little bead. Single bead. Okay, since we're adding one, we're gonna be adding more. I know, sorry guys, but I do want to put some beads into it. Oh my god. I'm running low on beads too. Well, you might think that it's a lot, but really it's not. Well, I just added way too much. So this is the before, not stretchy. And this is gonna be the after, and we're gonna have to do some stuff for it to get a little bit better. God, jeez. Oh, it's already been 2 minutes? Yeah, we're on a roll, guys. Anyway, back to the video. Oh my gosh, it's turning into slime. I'm gonna keep this hand free in case I have to like add some more. I want to put my hand in there so bad, but I can't. Yeah. So I see blue, pink, orange, purple, green. I don't know if I said green. Letters. And then we're gonna make both of them stretchy. And we're gonna mix it up. So I guess the title for this video will be how to make your hard, non-stretchy slime stretchy. No, how to make your hard slime stretchy again. Let's do that. I mean, this one was not stretchy because it was just born. We're scraping off all the blood, all the guts, and FYI, the guts and the blood. Well, the blood is glue. Oh my god, it just fell. And if being born, this is gonna be the stomach. Actually, no, it's being born in this little. It's being born in this little bowl. So it just turned into a little toddler slime. So the blood is glue. So we're taking off all the blood off my hands. Oh my god, look at that. It's a necklace. And we're taking off all the guts, which is the beads and the borax and all that stuff, off of my hands too, because there's some all over my hands. Oh my god, a bead just went inside that slime. So I'm going to introduce you to the twins. This is Kylie White. No. This is Macy White. And this is Riley White. The White twins. I'm not racist. I'm just saying. White. Riley just got. This is Macy. Riley, the newborn, just got dirty. Why'd you do this to me? Do you not? I'm your creator. Why do you hate me? They just failed on me. Can you believe that? What slime does that to their creator? All your brothers and sisters love me. Why can't you? Well, brothers and sisters that are apart. So we're going to be adding some lotion to this. Just spread that out. Let's add like 5 pumps. No, maybe 5. Maybe more. Add more pumps. That sounded like a speech. Add a couple pumps to the slime. It's going to, little by little, it's going to get better. Trust me. Yeah. All right. Watch till the end. No surprise, but I know the food's gonna get cold. I know. So we'll probably just make one. So this one will be the rebel twin. This one will be the angel twin. So I don't want to add any color to this because for years. I fell in my skirt. Well, it's just glue. Right? It'll wash off. Okay. For years, I've wanted, well, actually, for weeks, months, days, I've wanted to make white slime. But since I had only laundry detergent, I don't know what I just did there. But since I added forget I did that, okay? Since I added laundry detergent, it always makes it blue. Baby blue, white blue. Wait, what? Not white blue. Baby blue. Any blue shade. Any blue shade. But now that I found my borax, it was hiding from me underneath the sink. This is what you're thinking right now, borax. This is what you're thinking. She found me. I'm dead. She's gonna waste all my blood to make a family. You're not important. Well, actually you are, because you make this come together. Well, it is kind of stretchy, if you guys could see that. And bees just keep falling because they want to hide from me. But I see you. You're underneath my table. And if you see little, I forgot your name. If you see little Kipper back here, he's a witness, okay? He knows that this one is the rebel, this one is the angel, so I don't get confused. So look how stretchy that is now, guys. Okay. I was trying to make that into a drum. Alright, so now that it is kind of stretchy, let's just add a couple more pumps, like 3 should be good, or 4. Get that out of the way so you guys could see the precious messiness of the slime. Okay, so now, yeah. Okay. My closet is back there. It looks super bad. The people that lived here before took off the doors. I'm very mad at them. I don't know who they are, but I will find you. And if you're watching, put back my doors. I'm just kidding. You don't even live here anymore. And there's slime on my wall. See? Oh, no, that was paint. R.I.P. wall. Alright, guys. So, this is the final product. Angel. Oh, yes! I know it's my brother's name, but I'm gonna call her, not him, her. Angel. Angel White. Rebel White. Yes, you want to be like your sister now? Thank you. Oh my God, my friend keeps saying hello. She said hi. Hello. Hello. I have to tell her that I'm making a video. Oh my God, this feels so hard. I can't live with you. I'm gonna transform you to the softness of this amazing whipped cream. Okay, her name is gonna be Angel White, but her nickname is gonna be Whipped Cream. Look how good that is, guys. And it doesn't smell like laundry detergent. Finally, after 1,000 years. We have 4 minutes to do this. Oh, yes. Yes! You're my favorite. Now, time to let's give you a surgery. Let's give you a surgery so you could be nice and soft. Well, really, the surgery is just adding lotion. So, let's just add some lotion to your skin, which is glue. It is still not so stretchy at all. And you are a rebel, like your name. Like, hi, Rebel. Hi, Angel. You're dead to me. I wish I could kill you. You're dead. No, that's just sad. Don't do that. You're gonna get spanked. I don't know why I'm talking to slime. I'm just cuckoo today. I'm crazy today. So, let's swish. Let's squish. I can't talk today for some reason. I'm tongue-tied. Let's squish it into a ball. We squished it into a ball. Squish. Okay, can we break it in half? Of course we can. You're the rebel. So let's just make it a little bit stretchy, like Angel here. I mean, whipped cream here. That just sounds weird. I like Angel here. Let's just make you a bit stretchy like Angel here. No, let's do that sentence again. Let's just make you a bit Let's just make you a bit stretchy like Angel here. That's better. That was me, but I didn't burp for real. I'm like, I can't do it. But I promise you guys, I didn't burp. Okay? Pinky swear. I got glue on my camera. Well, on my phone. Are you serious? They're just running away from me. Stop it. My God. You're still such a rebel. You're not even going. What's the matter with you? Okay, let's just add some more lotion. Spread it all across your bumpy. Well, yeah, bumpy. Because you have beads in it. And you have guts in you, actually. Let's just spread it. Lech. I just said lech. What is a lech? I'm seriously tongue-tied for some reason. Stop! There's even some on my skirt. What's the matter with you? Oh my God. Are you dying? Because you're spilling your guts everywhere. She's dying. No. Dead. Well, we're going to mix you up with your sister, so it doesn't matter if you die. You're going to become one person. Actually, you are, but you two are going to become one person. Look how good this slime is, guys. Okay, we have 1 minute to do this. Hopefully you turn into your sister. You're starting to, but not completely. Oh, come on. Work with me. Work with me here, slime. No. I think I added too much borax. Well, I guess you're starting. You're a mid-angel. You're a mid-angel. That means you're in mid-air. Okay, guys, so I guess that's all for today's video. This rebel did not turn like her sister Angel. But yeah, her sister is way better. Look at this, guys. Look at that. And look at this. Boom. Check mark for her. X for her. So, comment down below if you guys love slime. And comment down below which one was your favorite. Okay, forget what I said. Comment down below which one was your favorite. Was it Angel? No. Was it No. Was it Riley? No. Oh my God. Was it whipped cream? Or was it Rebel? I think mine was whipped cream. She's super soft. Oh my gosh, she's super soft, guys. Subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already, and press the notification button so you get notified when I upload another video. Bye! Oh, bye!